This is the most innovative designer in the world because he has a crazy way of upgrading furniture. First, he carefully cuts the corner of the freshly made kitchen island using an angle grinder with a special diamond blade for marble. But this isn't just a straight cut. He makes it wavy so it's blending better with rest of the design. Then he uses his 3D scanner to create a perfect corner for his masterpiece. After many hours making model and printing new details for this project, he finished by installing the base of a 3D model which fits perfectly and adds final pieces for this masterpiece.